All right, Shalom. All right, this is the third round, just a little piece, snippet of this cat that they call JC or whatever, verse Iron Solomon. All right, here it is. So don't hate me with some JC, Judeans, Jewish, Catholic song. Because according to prophecy, y'all trying to rebuild Rome. So go ahead. Babylon, disaster. Talk to him. Look at this smack right here. Hey, this dude is a demon, I believe, too, man. Jake is crazy, man. Talk to him. Even Esau right here, like, yeah. He get cooked. Hey, did you hear that? Hey, man, I was Salaki. I was talking over it, man. Let me go back. Hold on. Let's go back there. I'm trying to move it up to avoid copyright, man. Salaki. So here we go. He gets swole. He is embarrassed. Solomon, this cat right here, he don't know what to think. He's like, damn, truth is everywhere. All right. But, hey, that's just for edification, showing y'all, man, that, hey, this truth is everywhere. The apostles were talking about that the other day. Anywhere you go, all right? That's why all these cats, and I would just assume, you know, they're being worldly, they're at this event. I mean, hey, listen, that don't really mean anything, but if you notice the trend, almost every single one of these Jakes got beards. Lined up, shaved up, even this long, you know, Aaron type beard, but he still got lined up, trimmed up. So they know the truth. This Christianity shit is played out. All right? That's it. All right? So, man, we just, you know what I'm saying, give all thanks and praise to Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahweh Shai, Bahashim, Rakah HaKodash. All right, double honors to the apostles and elders, great millstone who taught us this truth. All right, and don't forget that we wouldn't know about this truth if it wasn't for these apostles and these elders. All right, so when you say double honors, man, it means, man, honor and honor again. All right, all thanks and praise to Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai. All right, peace and blessing to Yakim, man. All right, shalom.